Hello all, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad you're here. We have reached 1,000 and now we are ready to work even harder. And I have a special guest. I'm Kat and
Barry,
my husband, and we're going to show you some exercises, some stretches, some things you can do with a partner. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is partner squats. So this will help strengthen the legs, your core. So I'm going to grab onto his wrists, or I like the wrist better. If you want to hold hands, that's fine. Also keep your arms straight, relax your shoulders, and then we're going to sit the butt back. So this helps you to keep good alignment, so keep the knees from going forward. So for this particular exercise, we want the knees to be over the feet. Make sure you come all the way back up. So we're going to squat back, keep your head up, relaxing your shoulders, and go as far as you're comfortable. Okay, and if you feel awkward, you can move in a little closer. Just keep your arms straight if possible. It should be feeling good. You feel a good stretch on the shoulders as well. Next one, we can do some push-ups, partner push-ups. So there's two ways we can do this. I can either use his back and do some push-ups, we take turns, or we can just have our palms together. We're gonna go into like a plank position. So of course, if one is stronger than the other, we have to adjust our footing. So, all right, we're a good match here. And I'm gonna flex. I guess you can go first, or we can do it together. Let's try. So you're gonna be mindful of each other so that you keep balance. So if you feel more comfortable, if you need to put a foot forward, for those who are just starting out, you can do that, modify, or do it against the wall, of course. This feels really good. Keeping your back straight, look side to side. I love this one. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. All right, I'm sweating already. Now cardio, very simple, marching in place, pumping your arms, lifting your knees. So, and let's just try to really get your knees up nice and high. Very controlled, and then, you can get a little prance going. And then you can really pump it up. So you can try some HIIT. So 15 seconds, all out, or 20 to 30. And then you go slower. Whew, that will really get your heart rate up. Okay, now stretch. Let's do a stretch. I'm breathing heavy, right? This is working great. For the shoulders, I love this one. Elbow to elbow. Yeah, so let's step forward with the inside leg for your pecs. Yummy-licious. That is amazing. You're going to love this one. Elbow to elbow. Gently. Good. We're not pushing each other. We're just a little support there. All right, yeah, that one. I'm tight there. Okay, great. Do like, share. Hit that subscribe button. It'll let you know when we upload new videos. And
leave a comment.
Hopefully my husband will do more videos with me.
Leave a comment. Help me out, leave a comment.